4th of July, everybody. Welcome back to our channel. I am Jordan, and this is my boyfriend, William, and this is the Jordan and Will Show.
It was our first ever 4th of July here in Texas, and probably to no one's surprise, it was the most exciting and thrilling 4th of July we've ever had.
Listen, hear that? It's Sandy.
I wanna wake up in Texas. I miss those wide open skies.
So to kick things off, my twin brother flew from Arizona to Texas on Friday night, and he couldn't have picked a better weekend to come into town for his first ever visit to Texas.
So, first things first, we've actually changed our minds. We are no longer going to take the Jeep. We're actually going to take Jalil's car. So we have to switch everything over now. Leave this bag with all the hard liquor, easily accessible. Say 4th of July.
And in the morning, we headed off down to Galveston, where we're gonna rent the boat from. Now, for those of you that don't know, Galveston is a port city, which is south of Houston, and it's off of the Gulf of Mexico. It was about an hour and a half drive down there, and I didn't let everyone else know because I was took the responsibility of getting the boat on my shoulders. But I was nervous because if you've ever rented a boat before, if you haven't rented anything before, you'll know that there's a lot of unknowns, and you kind of just take it step by step. I didn't know if the owner was going to be easy to work with. I didn't know if he was going to have the boat in the water already or not. I was hoping it looked as good as it was in the photos. Basically, I was just nervous that things could go wrong.
Hey buddy, are you doing the boat rental? Yeah, I'm William. Yeah, this is the boat? It looks like it.
Once we'd successfully reversed out of the slip, we just had to connect my music, nudge the throttle up. It was the Gulf and us, and it was game on.
Oh my god. I've never done this before.
Okay.
Is it that when your mother told you be home before the street lights come on?
So, since it was the day before Independence Day, we felt it was entirely necessary for us to exercise our Second Amendment. Oh, what happened?
It hit me in the finger.
Get a whole box for free, unless you want another one of these.
Yeah. No, I think we want the variety pack.
Definitely the variety pack. Yeah. Erica had this hiding. You had that hiding in your garage?
Divine and conquer.
Oh my god! Look! She has all this! And this is from Minnesota?
From Wisconsin.
Wisconsin fireworks. Alright, let's see how these work out.
Having fun, Alec? Yeah. You look like you're having fun. You having a good time, yeah.
Watermelon?
Watermelon.
from the big fireworks. The show's really about to start. I can't believe we're actually here doing this.
These are great.